Not going to believe this.
Yeah, we're sinking water. We're on a vessel.
Irene is sinking. The diesel apparently sheared a shaft and been on water.
50% of vessels lost at sea sink because of uncontrolled flooding.
Hey, Skipper, we have some flooding down here. Send Bill to give me a hand.
To control flooding will save your catch, your vessel, and the lives of your crew.
Hey, Skipper, we slowed down the leak.
The thing to remember is if you have a flooding problem, you might have this problem for an hour, you might have it for 6 hours, you know. But once that boat, you know, starts to sink, you might have 30 seconds.
Inspect potential flooding sources with a critical eye monthly and maintain as needed. Turn valves to ensure they are not stuck open. Each through-hull fitting should have 2 corrosion-resistant hose clamps. In all watertight spaces, test high water alarms monthly. Tether an appropriate size softwood plug to each through-hull opening so it is readily available. Place an eye for line in the tapered end of the plug so the wide end can be hammered into place. Maintain emergency dewatering pumps in operable condition. When underway, inspect the bilge at regular intervals and include packing glands, rudder stocks, hatch cover and door seals, and through-hull connections. Keep your through-hull fittings close to the hull and shut-off valves accessible. Think about how you could reach areas that may be prone to flooding and the benefits of being able to remotely close valves. Be thoroughly familiar with your vessel. This is critical to locating the source of flooding quickly. Make it easier by having valves and pipes clearly marked and pipes color-coded.
Problem is I have through-hole fittings everywhere.
Talk to your surveyor about potential problems and flooding prevention specific to your vessel.
You might think about the next time you get hauled out to install a sea chest where you can concentrate some of your piping and make it more accessible for everybody.
A voluntary Coast Guard fishing vessel exam can also be worthwhile. All crew should be reminded to close doors, hatches, windows, and vents. Ensure bulkheads below deck are watertight. In undamaged spaces, keep your watertight spaces watertight to limit flooding.
Roll the duct tape.